Well, you guys, we're in the process of putting Lightning Bug back together, and I wanted to show you the AC wiring harness or air conditioning wiring repair harness I got from Mike at Harness Performance. Now, I know I say these company names a lot, and I say these people a lot, but a lot of these companies that I have bought parts from stand by their customers, and they help them out tremendously. And I'm willing to give them a mention with no sponsorship, no deals, no nothing. So here we go. Simple install of your guys' air conditioning in your Mazda Protege. Doesn't have 2 and 3. This is the Harness Performance wiring kit. Simple, straightforward. Once you get the radio out, just a couple minutes, plug and play, and boom, you're done. So let me show you the part. We'll get into it and go from there. Here's the wiring kit from Harness Performance for your AC system of your Protege. If you don't have speeds 2 and 3, Mike does a good job at making these kits, and it's plug and play. So let's get into the car. I've already got the radio out and the interior out because I've been working on other things. Figured now would be the time to show you guys this install. Alright, so here we have the radio out. This car has an issue with the radio, so it's already out. You're going to disconnect this black plug on your AC system. Then you're going to take your harness that Mike has made. You can see that's the male end. That's your female end. Ooh, sorry guys. Female, male. And you're going to just simply plug these two together, clips in place, and then we're going to get down in here. You want to make sure you tuck this kind of down and out, so that way you can have room for your radio wiring and all that. And you guys can just see it plugs in here. Boom. And now, if you didn't have AC on 2 and 3, this should square you up. Now, put our radio back in, which I don't have yet, so we'll leave it like this. But, simple fix, couple minutes. Big shout out to Mike and his product. Fitment easy, wiring even easier. Everything's squared up, tucked away nice and clean. We still have all our room. So, once again, that's Mike at Harness Performance. Simple, quick video. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Alright, you guys. Well, I discovered something tonight after I did this video. I keep saying Mike at Harness Performance, and actually the guy's name is Matthew. And yes, the name of the company, or his company, is Harness Performance. That makes the wiring parts. But to get the products, you have to go to Martin Performance. So first off, I want to say apologies to Matthew for getting his name wrong, I think in at least 1 or 2 other videos. And then just remember to go to Martin Performance. They have the wiring and other products for the Mazdas. I'll put a link in the description. So you guys, I wanted to make that correction so you guys know where to find his products, Matthew's products. So, like I said, my deepest apologies. It happens. Y'all have a good night.